Hi guys, welcome back to our channel First Kid TV. So today on our channel we are about to break our almighty piggy bank, aka KOLO as it is called in Nigeria. So as you guys can see, we have the hammer, we have the screwdrivers, and we have the almighty piggy bank itself. As you guys can see, it's still sealed. So we're going to break it and we'll be right back in a second. Guys, I don't know if you've seen our video on piggyback, aka KOLO. If you've not, we'll put the link on the description box so you guys can actually click and watch it. So right now, the gentleman in charge is going to pick up the hammer and do what he knows how to do best. So let's just watch and see. Okay, so guys, as you can see, has actually broken it and is actually trying to pull out the cover. The piggy bank has been broken and there are lots of cash in there. So right now, I'm sure this young man is ready to, do justice to this money in here. So let's see what he has to show to us. So this actually took him a while to get to this point. He has been planning what he wants to do with this money. I think he actually has been saving from since July, and then he has been able to save to this point. Guys, please kindly ignore any noise you hear on the background because my son is around and this is the holidays, so please just ignore. It has been much of a distraction so far. Anyway, so back to the matter at hand. As you guys can see, it's chunking out, man. I think I'm going to cook something yummy this season with this money. Now you can see the money is on the table. The money that I'm going to spend is for me. Anyway, so he's going to arrange the money for us to see right now, and let's see what he was able to come up with. So as I was saying earlier on, he actually just saved for fun to see if he could actually do it. It wasn't like, as you can see, his piggy bank is actually small. He just wanted to see if it was something he could do, and then if he could discipline himself enough to save in it. I have not been able to discipline myself enough. Whenever I save in it, I keep going back to break it and take out the money. But he has been able to do his own for 6 months consistently. He just throws in the naira in there every now and then, and this is what he has been able to come up with so far. So also he also wanted to see if the news of people saying that they save in the piggy bank and then it goes missing, if it's actually true. Well, I don't know, probably they didn't pray in their own piggy bank when they bought it or something. But as you can see, I think it's cash, everything is intact. Guys, please just ignore my son in the background. Just ignore him. He's trying so hard to get into the video, but we're not letting him do that. So as you can see, it's still arranging and arranging in thousands of in thousands is 500, in 200. I think the least amount there is, it actually has 100 naira. So man, I think I'm actually going to cook that ofiakpu for him. Okay, my son says he wants jollof rice, guys. So I guess it's jollof rice we're gonna cook. It's still arranging and arranging. Also guys, I'm not going to disclose the amount to you guys because you guys don't need to know. That's left for me, the woman of the house, to know how to spend and help him manage his money. But let him just arrange it for you guys to see. So the reason why we're doing this also is to actually tell you guys that you can actually cultivate a saving habit in this new year. As we're entering into new year, you can actually get a piggy bank and then just keep saving. Just keep training the nairas there. Every naira that you feel you don't actually want to spend, you just keep training it there, and you'll be surprised at what you can come up with at the end of the year, or probably at the middle of the year. You can do it, or you can even do it in every 3 months, if you choose to. So I think I am going to discipline myself in this year 2020 to actually save. So as you guys can see, he has been able to arrange for you guys. He has 100 naira, he has 100 naira, he has 200, he has 1,000, and he has in 500s also. So there's even one that's he didn't open. The money is too much. So guys, I'm just so excited because it's something he just thought to do randomly, and then he actually did it, you know. And my son can't wait for us to use this money to cook jollof rice and chicken. Rice, right? And chicken. So yes, you guys heard, he can't wait. An egg, right? So you guys heard, all the money is going to go into getting him rice, chicken and egg. So thank you guys so much for sticking to us and seeing how we unboxed or broke piggy bank. Thank you guys so much. I advise everyone, you know, to get a piggy bank and just throw it in the house and keep throwing your little bit of naira in there, and you'll be surprised at what you achieved at the end of the year. Bye guys, thank you.